we look over here at the umbrella pattern, this is the pattern that'll put money in your pocket. We've said that, you asked the last week. So is this an umbrella, a true umbrella? No, because we're now hitting the pink line over here on the 60. But we have encapsulated it, from this blue line. So in hindsight, those traders who don't look at a number of different charts, they miss that idea. They don't see this as the potential fighting zone on a bigger scale. And a 60 certainly is a bigger scale versus, say, a 30 or a 5 or a 10. So that's why we want to watch these and see what they're doing. And that's why initially the 15 and the 30 are in play, because that's the box we're looking at then. And if we get continuation, we get a trend day as we were hoping, then we can see these kinds of crossovers where they really happen and where they stall on a bounce and where they come right back into it. And now it really looks like an umbrella on this 15. So our primary target today, we said, was let's get back and hopefully close the gap. And then if we get a trend day, trailers you hang on to, see if we can't get down and test the 93 to 92 area. Excuse me, 92 and a half T1. There's nothing here that tells us that the longs are in control. We said all the late longs on, Friday, they're left holding the bag. And have the shorts won? No. The shorts have had a great day, but way too soon to tell anything other than we've had a good day short side. Guessed right that we were going to come back, and that is part of the power of the short side is it happens quickly. And that's why if you don't guess correctly, and then you wind up chasing it and chasing it, oh, well, that 96 is going to hold. And it could, but it never comes back up into the IB. I mean, the IB just says, no, you're not coming back. Let's go. We got other targets. So our primary target, 96, close the gap. And then if we get lucky, come down and test the 93s to 92s. If there's anything else left, guess what? The only way you're going to get it's with a trailer. So T1 today, 92 and a half, is done. And any more today is strictly good fortune. And if you want to come back and look at it deeper, look at it deeper. I mean, really, you come back here, count them back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 days back, 5 days back. This low in here, this 91 and a quarter, I think it was. 91. So that is, this has got to go. This has got to go before anything else good happens. And, the way I'm looking at today's trade, we've got our power pivot at 89 and 89.75, something like that. It's migrated backwards. We started the day, it was at 91. So clearly we've gotten back. This is a regression trade. That's all we know. And when we started, we said, today could be a good day for the shorts. We already have had a nice pullback. Already tells us that the market's weaker than it's been. We already know it's a mirror trade, a regression trade of Friday's push. Stall, and then come back. So for those traders who are used to buying the dips, today they got beat. They still have had a good run. Overall, that technique has worked. And my suggestion, I would be very conservative at this level. We're due for a little bounce. Don't know when, where the final low is for today. If this is it, so be it. And we're going to use this 98 to 99 as key resistance right now. So expect a little range chop for lunch. Zeke, great call. Zeke said he thinks we're coming out the ID low and we're going south side. Love that call. And we said it bounces today because today's the day I think we'll get a nice pullback. Done. More is gravy.